Before humanity had words, before fire lit the night, monsters ruled the rivers, and our ancestors had only courage to survive them. Deep in the forests of East Africa, a band of Homo habilis rose with the mist, every breath a fight against hunger and fear. Food was scavenged from bark and soil, every discovery a gift of survival. Stone against stone birthed weapons, the first whispers of human invention. Even in play, danger lingered, every laugh carried the risk of silence. Water promised life, but in the forests it also promised death. They reached for water with trembling hands, knowing unseen eyes watch from below. The forest rivers held giants, crocodiles older than their fear. From silence, horror erupted. Mothers shielded their young as the beast struck with ancient fury. The earth itself seemed to shake beneath its hunger. Stone and courage met scale and teeth. One misstep meant being swallowed whole. Even the smallest hands carried the weight of survival. They fled, but the forest swallowed nothing. It carried every scent, every wound. Storms came swift, as merciless as predators. Nature struck without warning, tearing survival from their grasp. In stone's embrace, they clung to warmth and life. Knowledge of leaf and root kept death at bay. Hunger gnawed louder than fear. It forced them into the forest again. Every hunt was a gamble, a dance with starvation. Victory came swift, but never without cost. But in the forests, they were not alone. Food meant survival, and survival meant war. Blood mixed with rain as kin turned against kin. But the forest had its own judge. The beast took its price in flesh. In terror, unity returned. The enemy was not each other, but the forest itself. Fire turned blood into nourishment, fear into strength. Wisdom passed from hand to hand, shaping the future of their kind. Beneath ancient stars, they dreamed without words. Each sunrise demanded migration, each step a wager against death. Still, the rivers whispered their hunger. A heartbeat from loss, a heartbeat from survival. United, they turned fear into defiance. The forest river kept its secrets, but not their spirits. From stone and struggle, they carved a place among giants. Scars marked them not as victims, but as survivors. Even in hardship, sparks of humanity shone bright. Unity fed more than flesh, it fed the spirit. Against beasts, storms, and hunger, they endured, the first guardians of the human story. From the jaws of monsters, they walked forward. Their footsteps carried the first echoes of humanity into the world.